Hello friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. I welcome you all to watch my new video on machine learning in Python. As we have gone through many videos of machine learning in Python, like for such as programs on Python using FAIR library, very popular facial emotional recognition library, programs on Python using deepface, programs on pandas in Python, programs on hand tracking using Python, and programs on many more videos on machine learning like speech recognition and many more. Today's video is really interesting and innovative, so please watch it patiently. For that, let us go through the Python file first two statements are very important, which are libraries which are needed for this program. The next three statements are used for initialize the main window. The next two statements are used for create the label to display the result. The next two statements are used for result label for the next two statements method detect language to detect the language, and at the last detect button here for add button to trigger the detection, and window dot main loop because we are using graphics of Python, that's why. Now I will execute the program. Yes, graphical window has been displayed. Now I will do one thing. I will go to browser, search in Tendulkar batsman in Marathi. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar Falandaz. Now we will check whether the language, whether our program detects that it is written in Marathi. Here I will display that. Yes, it's telling it is written in Marathi. So now we will do one thing. We'll try Hindi. Curve connector. In Hindi. Now we will check whether it detects in Hindi or not. Yes, it is detected in Hindi. So I successfully detected language using Python. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.